What is going on YouTube? Hit back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys know, I like to do a different cryptocurrency here on the channel every single week with your guys' help. So definitely make sure to comment your favorite altcoin down in the comment section below so I can pick one and review it in next week's episodes. More importantly, what we're going to be looking at in today's episode is the crazy movements happening within the market. I think it's about time that I say I am definitely starting to become, if not already bullish within the market. Sorry, not bearish, bullish within the market, as we're starting to see prices soar to incredible and crazy levels within the space, as well as breaking through some critical resistance levels and price ceilings that we have pretty much drawn out on some of the major and most of the major cryptocurrencies. The fact that we are breaking through this, even becoming overbought and above overbought, is still giving me reason to believe we're probably going to close above these resistance levels and start to explode up. Not only that, but we're starting to see XRP, which seems to have been the straggler behind in most of these cryptocurrencies, actually start today to explode to the upside. So if you guys haven't already, definitely make sure to watch the video to the end, as this is a huge investment opportunity, especially in XRP, as I feel like XRP is going to be the next catalyst to breaking to the upside, as most of the cryptocurrencies already did. XRP hasn't yet, but I think we're about to experience it today, if not into tomorrow. So definitely stay tuned. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And also, today's video is sponsored by IBG.FINANCE. So if you guys are wondering what exactly it is, definitely stick around to the end of today's episode. But it's basically a new platform within the DeFi and crypto space that allows you to invest into cryptocurrencies with a certain robo analytics platform behind it that will basically choose your risk level in your, and how you feel within the market, and kind of change its positions to basically fit and fuel your comfort levels in regards to investing. So definitely check it out. I do have links to that in the description down below. But otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. All right, guys, where do we even start? I mean, we can go back to yesterday, basically creating a video. We discussed how XRP Ripple has reached the target level. We discussed in clear and in-depth that we were currently retesting the moving averages and top resistances for XRP, and that this was a critical point for the market in regards to where it's going to be moving to in the next couple of days. Now, more importantly, looking at today's market overall, you can see we're only up about 1.3%. But in regards to the past 7 days, we're up literally double digits, pretty much 20 to 40% for every single cryptocurrency that there really is. We're doing an incredible, huge, phenomenal job in regards to exploding to the upside over the past, week. And we're starting to see even more so money move still back into this market, as we're about to hit 2 trillion in market cap, and markets are still moving up even higher. So where are we going to start? I guess we could start with XRP right here. I'm not sure why I don't have lines drawn on here. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can change that to Bitfinex. Oh, well, that's unfortunate. But regardless, you can kind of see where we have some sort of uptrend, aligning itself with this support right here. We did have some sort of downtrend. It is what it is. Some sort of support, resistance level right here. We do have this bottom support that we've been kind of teeter-tottering off of, retesting that resistance. And we do have a downtrend right here, which I'd like to say we're pretty much coming to retest, if not breaking through already. And you can kind of see how exactly everything is playing out in some sort of descending triangle. We could have some sort of symmetrical triangle forming. There is a horizontal support right here where we did have that double bottom formation. Regardless of the direction, we are exactly pumping to the upside. And even though we haven't yet broken through this uptrend, this support right here, I mean, we can just, pull it a little bit lower, and we're currently battling it right now as we speak. We can get maybe a better drawing on here if we pull it to the weekly here. Yes, now we can probably pull it down a little bit lower. You can kind of see right now what exactly is going on. We're hitting this support level, we're hitting the top resistance. Prices are battling it right now, but I'm honestly not too worried in regards to when's the next investment or how we're going to invest into XRP. Pretty much this is where my mind is. Not only XRP, but if you look at all these other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum is still teeter-tottering above resistances, but Bitcoin has, over yesterday, exploded up even higher, and we have Cardano as of today soaring through that top resistance level, which is huge for investment strategies and opportunities here on the channel. So with that being said, I've noticed in the past couple of days, if XRP really hasn't been following Bitcoin or some of these major cryptocurrencies as much as the other ones are. So I do think it's slightly behind in regards to which direction it's going to be moving to, but I do believe strongly that in the next couple of days, even though we're teeter-tottering at this top resistance here, and yes, there's still this small, thought of FUD that we could correct back down to bottom support, there's a big chance that we are going to be correcting or breaking back to the upside above this top resistance right here, closing above here probably today or tomorrow, and ultimately exploding to the upside. That's pretty much where my head's at. So it really depends on how we play around with this, but I'm definitely more leaning towards a bullish, movement and recovery than I am towards a bearish one, specifically with all these major cryptocurrencies that we have here. So even though we see, XRP kind of getting close to retesting this resistance here, confirming it is, however, retesting its moving averages, and there's a good chance within today or tomorrow that we do close above here. So I'm leaning more towards a bullish outlook if you want to play the devil's advocate. If we close today or tomorrow below this top resistance here, at least when we retest it, if we close below here, you could get ready for a short, just create a stop loss opportunity. But the fact that we've traveled above our moving averages here, even when we were overbought, does give me a lot of opportunity and faith to believe there's a very big chance we're going to be breaking through this trend line, this downtrend here, and we are going to be shooting back up to the upside. So get ready for XRP, because I do believe XRP is undervalued, and in the next couple of days, we should be able to see XRP start to pump to the upside with a $1 target in mind, and then moving, forward from there. Now, looking at these other cryptocurrencies, the reason I'm confirming that, we'll jump to Cardano right now, is obviously with Cardano, we've had a massive price ceiling and price floor on this coin that we've been trading in since February of 2021. And you can see over continuous retests, we've been trying over and over again to break through this top resistance here, this price ceiling, with multiple, retries and tries. And it really hasn't had much luck. We've had a strong price floor. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe even 8 confirmations that this is the price floor, and we're going to have a very hard time breaking through it. And you can see just today, we actually managed to get enough volume to pump us up above this price ceiling. And the fact that we did this, not only is it, referencing potentially the double bottom formation, but it's also allowing us to see what could be a bullish cross on the moving averages here. And just alone, the fact that we are closing above this resistance, last time we did that, understand it shot us all the way up to all-time highs. That's probably what we're going to be seeing within Cardano. Even though we're overbought here, which we were, you can notice right here, even at overbought at 71 on the relative strength indicator, we still exploded up. You can see that. And then we consolidated. Sure, we consolidated a little bit. We came back down to test bottom support, and then we exploded back to the upside. I'm kind of anticipating the same thing to happen with Cardano, where, yeah, we're going to, explode up here. Maybe we'll see some consolidation the next couple of days, but I do believe it's going to continue to allow us to break to the upside. The fact is, this confirmed here. Let's see how today's candle closes. Even if we close lower, the fact that we're above this massive resistance level on this coin is a huge bullish opportunity, which obviously we can take advantage of and invest into. Obviously, I've linked our exchanges that we use here on the platform down in the comment section or in the description below that I highly recommend you check out, as all of these are major investment opportunities. Definitely make sure to take advantage of the exchanges that we use, as well as our Discord and Patreon, as markets are just starting to turn bullish across the board. Not only Cardano, Bitcoin obviously closing above our trend line here, our massive resistance levels that I did not think would close above this early. We did have, clear resistances being retested, and I was anticipating, as we saw right here, I thought we were either going to just at some point fill in the gap, whether it was like that or just in here. I figured we would fill in this gap here before we saw a break to the upside, but we confirmed a bullish break above this trend line, and that is enough for me to believe that markets are starting to reverse into a more bullish outlook than the bearish 4 months we've had for quite some time now. You can see overall the longest period we've had in regards to the bear market would start here. It's been, I would say, maybe about 100 days of just bearish consolidation, and we finally flipped out of that. Same thing applies with Ethereum, breaking above its price floor, its price ceiling. We do have a price floor right here that I need to just add in really quickly, just like this. This is the price floor we've had trouble, or we've had quite a bit of time trying to stay above, which we did, and we've immediately corrected off that, breaking through our price ceilings and just allowing us to pump even higher. So I'm very bullish on these cryptos. I think all the other ones are starting. So obviously, I think Bitcoin and Cardano are just great opportunities to buy in, specifically Cardano. And then I do believe that XRP is slightly behind, and I do believe in the next couple of days it should follow suit, at least closing above this trend line here, allowing us to pump even higher. So very excited for that. Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk about IBG.FINANCE. All right, guys, I have another crypto project here for review. This one is called IBG.FINANCE. As with all crypto projects, please do your own research and find out as much info as you can before investing anything. New crypto projects and token launches are all risky, and I always recommend not investing anything you're not comfortable with losing. Otherwise, with that being said and out of the way, I do want to talk about a project here. So IBG is opening up the fast-growing DeFi market to people by simplifying the process with its robo-advisory technology that offers automated investment portfolio management. As a result, IBG will create wealth opportunities for cryptocurrency investors by helping them navigate the complex DeFi sector, and it aims to be a catalyst for wealth creation and management. So DeFi, which stands for decentralized finance, is digital asset, smart contracts, protocols, and decentralized applications built on blockchains. In simpler terms, they are companies like exchanges, insurance payments, asset management, and more, which are set up in a digital format. DeFi has become an increasingly popular investment preference among crypto enthusiasts and paves the way for the future, as we've pretty much seen. And with more than $42.8 billion locked in DeFi applications as of March of 2021, there is quite a bit of technology out there and quite a bit of investment strategies moving forward. So investors are on their toes to access the first app release from IBG, which will be its welcome wallet, because IBG highlights and solves real and present issues among the current cryptocurrency investors. While crypto and DeFi investments are on a fast lane to global domination, they are still too time-consuming and complex and risky for most investors. And this is a whole new world of opportunities, which comes from an entirely new set of obstacles due to being a brand new technology. IBG will redefine DeFi investments with a customized process that allows investors to insert their parameters in great detail, including their risk appetite, time frame, preferred asset allocation, and more. The IBG bot runs inbuilt algorithms that matches user profile results with available investment products to recommend a personalized investment portfolio contract to the people investing in it. Using the IBG coin, investors can fund the amount they'd like to invest, and the app will do the rest. This helps every investor skip the lengthy, risky, and arduous task of discovering the next DeFi investment. The app, unlike most existing investment platforms, allows investments in one DeFi asset at a time, rather than forcing users to create an extensive and diversified investment portfolio. The IBG app users can look forward to many perks privy to IBG token holders. This includes voting rights on product development, protocol integration, and a token burn strategy, compensation for developers who contribute to the ecosystem, referral program, rewards, and even more. And also beyond the app's core functions, IBG brings together a community that will play an integral part in the app's finalization and success. The IBG token is expected to keep growing along with the ecosystem, and various factors will drive this growth. Demand for the IBG tokens will increase once used for transaction fees, and with a growing demand for yield and governance participation. IBG will continue establishing new partnerships with traditional finance players and DeFi protocols to increase demand for the token and transaction fees, which will be burned and permanently taken out of circulation to keep token values high. Lastly, they are launching their IDO on August 11th this year, so soon all the tokens will be available to all, and IBG states that they are fully reinsured by Lloyd's of London syndicates, which is rated at a minimum A-. Otherwise, huge shout out to IBG.FINANCE for sponsoring today's episode. If you're interested in checking out their website or their app, definitely make sure to check the description down below, where you'll see their launch and their IDO, as well as their IBG token. Otherwise, definitely make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.